How to enable Comet AI Assistant on Android. Hey guys, first thing first you need to do here is open up your web browser, any one that you're using currently, and then simply search for Comet AI. And once you search for it, you can go over to Comet browser. This is your personal AI assistant, and tap on download Comet. It will redirect you to Google Play Store, and all you have to do is tap on install. Wait for the installation to complete and open up your browser. Once you have your browser installed, tap on open. So if you guys didn't know, this browser is by Perplexity AI, and they have a separate agent mode on their browser built in. So you can assign it tasks and it's going to complete it. So you can just slide to get started, then tap on continue. You can log in to Perplexity with your Google account. So I'll just sign in later. I'll just skip this for now. If you want to set this as your default browser, you can do it, but I'll just do it later. And you can ask the assistant to navigate through whatever you want. So as you can see here, you can ask the assistant to do anything for you here. For example, here are some assistant suggestions. You can compare prices for noise canceling earbuds. Let's just tap on it. It's going to do everything by itself. So let's just look at it. It's going to start comparing prices for noise canceling earbuds. It's going to different websites and comparing price ranges, and it's going to give you a final summary down below. So that's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.